everyone. Today I'm going to be using a straw to just create another stamp pattern similar to using my toilet paper roll, but just on a much smaller scale. This is a, I believe it was a Boba tea straw, so it's really fat. It's got just a flat end on this side and then a tapered angled on this side. I tried just practicing stamping with this and it didn't really work out too well because I don't think it was completely flat. There's a little curve to it, so I couldn't get this little leaf shape, but I may cut the straw and try and get a flatter angle on it so that I can try it out. But I have a few different colors of pages. And I know I actually painted this page with this gold green, and I want to stamp this page with it. So I want to see how well that's going to show up on a top coat. And then I also want to stamp with some black ink, and then I also just have some white paint for the third one. So each one's going to look a little different. Depending on how my straws work out, I also have just a regular size drinking straw, so much smaller. But there's just a couple of different, I was just trying to get some different sizes of straws so that I could try this out. And actually, I really like the way that it bubbles up on there. So I'm gonna leave it when I start stamping. But I just dipped it into my black ink, and oh, I might have to re-dip quite a bit because it's so skinny. But we're gonna just see how well, ooh, it left a bubble multiple times. Okay. So actually I kind of like that. Let's see. I think black paint might work a little bit better because of how thin this is, but I'm still getting a little design there. So I'm just gonna keep going with it. I do like the black on this yellow. Do I have some black? I think I do. I might grab some black paint and mix it in and just thicken this up a little bit. But if you like this, I do like the little bubble spots that it makes. Okay, so I'm going to leave this page. I might actually do just one more row up here, but I'm loving the way that that one turned out. I'm glad I used just something a little bit different for a color. I know I've been using white a lot, but that looks really, really good. I'm hoping that the green does something similar. So I'm going to set this straw aside. I'll probably rinse it off and maybe just trim the end so that I can keep on reusing it. But I have this one I had tested out with some white paints, but it's all dry, so I'm not too worried about that. But I'm going to set this one over here, and I'm going to try this green paint here. Let's see, it might not show up. It will a little bit. Okay. So I may do a couple of different colors on this one. I think that green might not be bright enough, but we're gonna just test it out for a few rows and see how it looks. There we go. That's looking a little better. we're gonna let that dry. I think that green will darken up a little bit when it's dry. I really like the way it looks on the book pages, so I might just in my own time do some book pages without an undercoat and do that. But I'm gonna just move on to this last one, and I just want to try out a white pattern on this nice orange page. And this is going to be with just acrylic paint, so I don't think I'm going to be getting those bubbles all that much. I could grab some acrylic ink and see. Yeah, that doesn't really want. Oh, bubble. Is that gonna? Okay. So there we go. So I'm just going to keep going with this one and get this page filled up too. Okay, so I'm going to leave this one like that. Again, even with the acrylic paints, I still got a little bit of the bubble effect. If you want more of that, you could definitely just take a paintbrush and fill in some of those circles. But man, this one, definitely my favorite. But I do like the way they all turned out. I do love this green. Like I said, in my own time, I'll probably just do a book page with that on there. But even this darker green underneath would be really pretty to do. But man, I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think down below, and I will see you tomorrow with my next pages.